Marcela. I really hope you are well. In today's video we're going to do a cute hairstyle. It's perfect to have all the hair up for sports or for every day if you want. So let's get started. Okay, first of all I'm going to prepare the hair. I'm going to apply 1 drop of our golden treatment all along the hair. I'm going to apply it on the ends, and now we can comb the hair so we have it so shiny and ready to start braiding. Next, we're going to do a division from ear to ear. So the easiest way for me is do a division on the middle first and then do another one from here to the ear on each side of the head. With the back section, we're going to split it in half. Perfect. Now I'm going to hold this section for a while to keep it out of the way. I'm going to start on this side. I'm going to pick up a small piece of hair, and in here we're going to start braiding. We're going to do a Dutch braid, crossing the outside strands under the middle one. Now we're going to add hair to the braid, and I'm going to do it just from the front. Now cross the outside strands under the middle one, and again add hair to the braid from the front. One more time, cross the strands under and keep adding hair to the braid. We're going to keep doing the same steps and adding the hair until we are almost on the other side. Perfect. When we are here, as you can see, I'm adding hair from this side. And now from the left side, I'm going to start adding the hair from the back section. Again, cross this strand under the middle, and I'm going to add hair from this side. From the other one, I cross the strand under and add hair to the braid. So in here, we're going to keep doing the braid in the middle all along the back section. When we added all the hair, we're going to keep braiding a regular braid, and we're going to hold it with an elastic at the end. Perfect. Now we can let down this section, and all we have to do is the same braid with the remaining hair. I'm going to do a Dutch braid here, but if you wish, you can do another type of braid and it will be perfect. The hairstyle will look so cool. So in here, I'm going to keep doing the same steps, and at the end, hold the braid with an elastic as well. Okay guys, this is all for today. I really hope you like this hairstyle. If so, don't forget to leave us a big thumbs up. We really appreciate that. And of course, subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out any of our videos. You can follow us as well on Facebook and Instagram. See you there and see you next week. Bye!
Bye!